What up YouTube? It's me, Kevin, and it's time for another top 5. Now, we're gonna start with number 5 and work our way down to number 1. So let's start with number 5. It's gonna be this piece of wood right here. I have used this for so long. When I change out my pallets to put on like a koozie pallet or a sleeve pallet or any kind of pallet, when I go to put my pallet for the shirts back on my press, I use this as a measuring gauge. And it has saved me so many times from having to pull out a tape measure and hope that I get every single one of them correct. I use this to put it up against the press and then slide my pallet up against it, and every single one of them are exactly the same. And since I have a 10 shirt press, I don't want to measure all 10 of them and hope that they are all the same. So this piece of wood has saved me so much time. Simple, easy piece of wood. It's going to be this dispense bottle. And I've made a video entirely on this bottle before, and it's how I put my emulsion in here. Now I love this because it has this little one-way little valve at the bottom so that it only lets stuff out as I want it to. In the video I use a syringe to get it from the bucket to this, but now I have this nice little funnel with a big hole in it that fits perfectly on top. I have also upgraded from the 16 ounce to the 32 ounce bottle. 4 of these is a gallon. So once I see in my mini fridge that I am down to 1 of these, it lets me know that I need to order another gallon of emulsion. So this is definitely number 4 on the list. If you're tired of making a mess when you pour your emulsion out, just transfer it into one of these and life will be so much better, and you'll never run out of emulsion because you'll know when you're getting low. You only have 1 left. Magnets. Now, magnets are amazing because if it's metal, it'll stick. Especially with all the little bitty picking tools and weeding tools and scissors and just things that I don't want to lose. I have like a magnet strip on the wall and it holds everything where I need it to. It'll also hold my tape dispensers so they're all in one spot right there by my press. So I know if I need to use the 1-inch tape or the 2-inch tape, 3-inch, 4-inch. It's super nice to have right on hand, and my stuff isn't sitting on shelves and I'm digging through it trying to figure out where it is. I definitely recommend getting magnet strips because that is like definitely number 3 on the list. Number 2 is going to be this eye bolt. Now, I mentioned this in another video that I use this to stir my inks, and it is amazing, okay? So I don't clean these things off. I just put them in a container that looks like this. It sits in there, it sticks out, and when I get ready for it, I just hook to it with my drill, pull it out, and whatever color is written down on that box, that's the color that is designated to that ink bucket, and it keeps me from having to clean this. It also keeps it organized so that I know where they're at. And since these things are only like, I don't know, $1 a piece, they're super cheap, and you only need like, I don't know, 15 of these things. So $15 in, you got all the mixing stuff you need, and you don't have to clean these things off constantly. Number 2. Number 1 is going to be Velcro. Now I know you're wondering why is Velcro number 1. And it's kind of like the magnets, except it will go on anything. Plastic, metal, you name it. It will go on wood. It will go on your squeegees. So yes, if you are tired of your squeegees falling over whenever you pick the screen up or put it down and landing in the ink and you have to clean your squeegees, put a little strip of this on the back of the squeegee and then attach the other end to the press. That way whenever you pick it up and down, it will actually have a small 10-pound hold so that it does not fall into the ink. I also use them for the back of my spatulas. So I do use this for the metal piece to the magnet strips that I use. But once I get ink on this, I can't put this on the magnet strip. So I have a little piece of Velcro on the back so that when this gets dirty, I just Velcro this onto the strip that I have on the shelf. Number one, super cheap, super easy, Velcro. Woo! So those are my top 5 quick and easy hacks. I hope you enjoyed it. Maybe 1 or 2 of them helped you out. If it did, click the like button. A thank you to everybody who has subscribed up till now. If you haven't, do it. 2022 was a lot of fun. Look forward to 2023. Have a safe and happy New Year's. Till next year. Peace! Magnets. Why did I even bring that up? I don't even know. It's definitely going to be getting one of these and strapping it to the back. Strapping it. That sounded wrong. Magnets. 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 Where'd it go? So, those are my top 25. Lord have mercy.